Alright, so to begin the day, we are going to be walking across the Millennium Bridge. You might know this better as the bridge that the Death Eaters blew up in Order of the Phoenix.
Because they're jerks.
And we're going to be walking the pretty way this time, which is towards St. Paul's and not away from. It is hot already, as evidenced by the lack of tourists.
And the Phil is already.
And that Phil's already super sweaty. I'm sweaty too.
I think I put on my deodorant.
Yeah, today was definitely a double deodorant day. So on the bridge over here, they released rush tickets for the shows tonight. And since we were supposed to go to Brussels, but I chickened out, I looked at the rush tickets. And I first tried for Anne Juliet and there weren't any openings.
What?
Anne Juliet. But then I was like, going down the list, and My Fair Lady showed availability in like 8th row. So 2 tickets for £50. Looks like we're going to My Fair Lady tonight. Which I don't really know that well. I know that lots of chocolate for me to eat. And I have often walked down this street before. In high school I sang a My Fair Lady arrangement with lots of songs in it. But I don't really know the story, so we stopped here so Phil could get some beautiful shots of St. Paul's because, I mean, I feel like almost every photo taken of St. Paul's is going to be beautiful from this at any vantage point. And then we're going to head off to Postman Park because I was and still slightly am obsessed with the movie version of Closer. Alright, we have made it to our first stop of the day, which is Postman's Park. Has the Watts Memorial, built in 1900 as a tribute to heroic men and women.
Me too. We're gonna go sit. So we're down here doing the. Well, we took the tube over here to Westminster Chippy. And normally we get on the sightseeing tour bus, but they're like
with the London pass.
They're like, take the Uber bus or boat. It's like, what?
And we double checked with 2 different people.
Yeah, so
as long as it doesn't cost us anything.
Yeah. So here we are. I'll keep you guys updated. It's Uber boat now. I guess they have 2 different levels of London pass, and one does one does the other.
One thing that's interesting about this, though, is that there's only indoor seating.
And they call out all the piers because this is the commuter line.
I
think it's the commuter line. I'm pretty sure everyone is the commuter line. I think I got this with our just
Thames Clipper. That's what it used to be. I don't remember which water is which.
Mine is in your armpit.
It's not my armpit, it's the crook of my elbow.
Right, there you go. Can I have it? I have a free hand.
Okay.
I'm thinking, I've been getting it warm. Stop warming up my water. Stop warming up my water. Hey.
You're off to
Right here.
Yeah, this one. Alright, and we are already off. So, fun thing about these boats is they immediately do a big circle. Because the next port is always the London Eye. The first time we came to London, we did the entire Greenwich to London Eye route twice, just to spend time on the boat.
Ladies and gentlemen, next stop is London Eye Waterloo, our final westbound stop. We're going to be disembarking at the back of the boat. That'll be the back of the boat for London Eye Waterloo. This boat is now an RB1 service, travelling eastbound, all stops towards North Greenwich.
Oh, it is choppy.
At the back of the boat.
Approaching London Bridge City View, we are going to be disembarking at the back of the boat.
This is London Bridge.
The back of the boat for London Bridge. Any passengers for Tower London, please stay seated because that is the next stop.
London Bridge did not, in fact, fall down. There's the walkie-talkie.
Passengers will exit
Up at the top,
at the back of
that's
the
the
boat.
Sky Garden. We're still on the boat. And we've got a ways to go, but the thing is, when the boat's moving, this is pretty comfy and we're in the shade. Alright, we are going past Tower of London, which can only mean one thing. Gotta go under the Tower Bridge. Boop, 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 ba-dee, boop. I wish these windows were cleaner.
Passengers are not permitted on the front deck. Passengers are not permitted on the front deck.
I'm guessing that they're not permitting passengers on the front deck because we're about to go a lot faster. So, normally you can take a tour and go up and across there. However, they closed it due to heat. Because it is stupid hot right now.
They shut the front doors. Like it's warm.
Yeah, but it's about to go a lot faster. And there's the hotel that we stayed at last time.
Most people around.
Goodbye, ugly hotel. Alright, we are pulling into Greenwich now.
What?
I was saying that we're pulling into Greenwich now. It's really pretty, it's just, you can't see. as we go, we would tap out on the machines here, but we did London taps, so we don't need to. That's what I meant when I said it was pretty. Alright, well, we're gonna take a sunscreen break, but I did want to show the Cutty Sark because I love it. So, now sunscreened up. Should I have applied more to you, or are you feeling okay?
Good. Could you imagine climbing up there in rough seas like we were doing?
On the mast? They do it for funsies now. You can pay to do it.
Go up the mast?
Yeah. It's a whole ropes course thing. I don't see anyone up there. I wonder if they closed it today.
Storm blowing in?
No. That's tomorrow morning. Did you want to do the Admiral thing? Oh, it's the Maritime Museum.
Brutal once you get in the sun.
Yeah. So update, it is 100 degrees.
100 on the dot.
And we checked the weather in Brussels. Here it's only going to be 100 for like 2 hours. In Brussels it's going to be 100 and over for the next 5 hours. So I think we made the right call. And as much as we love the Cutty Sark, I just want to go back into the gift shop. It's a good gift shop. Alright. Back outside again. Yes, it is very much too hot. That was a nice seating spot. That over there is a footbridge that you can take under the Thames.
Will there be a foot tunnel then?
Yes, I suppose technically it would.
What's up?
I don't know, a bunch of random stuff on the ground.
Oh, that's hard. Melting off the building.
Lots of construction over here. There was a good gift shop that we went to, but I think it's behind all of that nonsense over there. We got Mom a little solar Mr. Bean there. First time that we came. No, second time that we came. So we didn't make it over to Greenwich last time. Or the first time. Yeah, Greenwich gifts. Cobblestones are the worst for walking, but God dang it, they're pretty. Well, that's not annoying at all. Isn't it over here? Oop, 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 oop. So this is the oldest brewer in Britain from 1698. There's a tea place over there and that good gift shop. But that's not our destination. We're going up to Greenwich Market. Jack the Chipper is also supposed to be pretty good. Is it? I don't know. We're supposed to go to the Golden Chippy. That's supposed to be the best one in England. Well, in London. And we have arrived at Greenwich Market. Today is supposed to be Antique Day, but with it being 100, I'm not entirely sure how many vendors will be here. As I recall, the last time we were here, this whole thing was full of little food vendors, unless I'm thinking further up. That's an adorable Insta spot. It does look dead. But look at that cute little Instagram thing. Look how cute that is. Alright, we have arrived. Reddit says this is the best chip shop in London. So, we're gonna try it. So here's the menu. We don't know what we're gonna get, but we're gonna get something delicious. And we are eating inside, but there aren't many people around and it looks nice. Alright, so we got one order of cod, this is a large size, and an order of plaice because we asked for the two most contrasting fish flavors. We also got a side of curry sauce for our chips. Should be lovely. It smells incredible. So we're sitting on the back outside, seeing if it's cooler in here than it was out there. After yet another very hot tube ride, we are almost to Harrods, where we're gonna look at some fun food, look at the poor people tourist section, hopefully find a toilet, and make a friend. So we just got back from My Fair Lady, realized that we hadn't eaten since about 2 o'clock, and it is now 11. So we went back to Capital Kebab House to get another kebab.
This time we did.
This time it was just chicken. Well, we only got one kebab because last time was ridiculous. This is just chicken. Well, it's chicken with halloumi inside of it. Jeez, how do we get this thing apart?
It seems bigger than last time.
It's significantly larger. I don't know how to split this. We don't have any utensils.
We're gonna try real hard.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can show. So we've got veggies and chicken, and we got the sauce inside this time. So we're gonna burn our faces off. Hopefully it's good.